Hello there, family and friends. If you're from across the world, this is Joe Jones here with a new video today. Well, this video is for those drone pilots that want to fly at directly sunlight. If you have the sun on your tablet, on your phone, and you're trying to like run under a tree to get the hide, this is what I have for you today. And we're talking about sun hoods for your tablet or your cell phone. And this is a do-it-yourself thing. It looks original. You can't even tell that you made it yourself. And it's just perfect white. You can get the poster board at any convenience store, at Walmart. I don't know if there's a Walmart where you live at, but if you know what I'm talking about, poster board, you draw any cardboard, thin paper, thick. It has to be pretty thick. And this is what I have here. And this paper was when it looks like it was too dry for on my side. It was too dry. So when you fold it, this paper is no good, so I don't recommend you this paper. But poster board is a lot softer. You can bend it. But this is just, I've been using this for a while, and I just want to share it with you guys. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that's what I'm here for. Joey Jones, you have a question, I have the answer. Okay, buddies? Okay, guys. Right now, today's video, it's about the hood. I already did a video for the iPad mini. I already did that video. Now we're gonna do the cell phone video one. So if you have a cell phone, personal cell phone, and that's what you're gonna see, the hood, okay? The sun hood. So when you're flying, you're direct, you can cover up the sun, and look at that. You couldn't even tell I made it. All right, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this started. Okay, guys. First things first. You're gonna need a poster board. Okay. You're gonna need a poster board. Make sure when you buy the poster board that make sure it's nice and moist. And what I mean by that is, if you take the poster board and if you fold it, if you bend it, see how that cracks there? See how it cracks? That means that it's dry. And if you see that it cracked through, yeah, that's no good. It's dry. But I mean, I bought it. I have to use it. That means that the paper is dry. You don't want the paper to be dry. Okay? Now, masking tape, cell phone, of course, double-sided tape, scissors, double-sided tape if you don't have masking tape. Okay, pen, pencil, a box cutter. Okay, I already have a piece cut here, so we're gonna start with this piece. Okay, first thing is first, follow the straight edge. Take your cell phone, and you want the buttons to be on the bottom, just like that. You don't want the buttons to be on the top. You want the buttons to be on the bottom, just like that. So then the first thing you do is with the ruler, you measure out your phone. Okay, this phone is about 2 3/4. Okay, so that's what the phone measures right there. Just about 3 inches. So I'm gonna give it 2 3/4. Okay, so the 2 3/4 is gonna be here, right here on the side. That's 2 3/4. From here to here, 2 3/4. Same thing on the other side. From there to there, that's 2 3/4. So you mark 2 3/4. If you can't read measuring tape or your ruler, just mark it. Okay, don't be afraid to mark your ruler. 2 3/4 that way, and then 2 3/4 this way. That's perfect. And what you do is hold down, and then you mark your phone. Mark it on that side, mark it on this side, and mark it on the top. Okay, so we marked here, here, and here. Okay, remove your phone, and then what you're gonna do is from this line, you see that you already have the line. Okay, that's pretty much the marking of your phone. And then what you do is you measure from this end up 5 inches. Okay, so you go to number 5 and then put it on 5 and straight up. It's 5 inches, so you mark that edge. Okay, that's 5 inches, and then you slide it here again. Then from here, that inches. So from here to here, there you go, mark that, and then from here to here is 5. From here to here is 5 inches. Okay? Now this edge right here. Now this edge right here, you're gonna go ahead and mark it there, mark it there. Yeah, you're gonna need that because from here to here is 2 3/4 and 2 3/4. So make sure you put that together there. Okay, so once we did them lines, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and And the side of the phone, we're going to trace that all the way up to where your 5 inches mark is. This is your 5-inch mark. Then you come back here, do the same thing, up to the 5-inch mark. Okay, this one here too, up to the 5-inch mark. Okay, so then on the 5-inch mark, you go ahead and all the way across. Okay, so same thing here, and then down here on the other edge of the phone, take the ruler and you go straight across too. Okay, so that's your cell phone there. That's your cell phone there. Okay, the buttons on the edge, bottom here, 2 3/4 this way, 2 3/4 this way. Your cell phone measures 2 3/4, so there it is, 2 3/4, 2 3/4, right in the center. So you're gonna have that line there. This line 5 inches up from this line, 5 inches up, and then same thing like that. So the pattern just like that. So it's 2 3/4 this way, and then 5 inches this way. And you mustn't mark them lines, okay? You need to mark them lines. Now, then next step is you take your pencil or pen and you bring it down to the edge of the line, like right there. Little edge of the line. Leave your phone there. Okay. What you do is you put your phone on the edge. Take the pen, bring it down to the edge of the line. Hold your phone. Don't move your phone, and then you do another mark. Mark another line. You see that other line? That's another line. Okay? And then from here to here, you're going to do 2.5 inches. So we're going to go 1, 2.5. Okay? So try to center it. I always do everything by eye. So here it is. That's basically the center of it. You see that there? See that there? And then you take your cutter and then you cut down. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. There you go. There you go. Perfect. And then it just cut through. Yes, it did cut through. Yes, it cut through. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now, the plug button. You need to do a window there. Okay? Because that's where the power is. So you move it. And basically we're going to do the same thing we did here. Now, if you want it to pop out or you want it to cut out, just cut it out. And then what you do is, there it is. I cut mine out. Alright? So, next step that you're going to do is, you're going to cut it right off. Okay, there it is. Okay, that's what you're going to get. Like that. See that pattern? Okay, now the next step that you're going to do is you're going to take your straight edge, you're going to put it on the line there, okay, on the line, and then you're going to use the scissors, or you're going to use something that'll, a nickel maybe or something. You just want something to be smooth, and you don't want it to be sharp, you just want it to be smooth. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to perform a crease here. You know, we're going to do a line so it can fold. Okay, you press down on it. Then basically that's what you're going to do. We're not going to cut through. We're just going to form a crease. So it will fold. Okay, so after it folds, then what you do is do it across here. Okay. Press down on it. Not to cut through, just to fold. And then same thing here. Fold, fold. Okay, so right there we fold, not all the way, that's fine. Then we fold here, okay, and then we fold here, okay, there it is. See that? We fold on all the lines. Okay, now on this line here, we're going to cut that off. We're going to cut right through it. We're going to cut right through it, just like that. Okay, there it is. So that's what you're going to have. Okay, you're going to have that, fold that in. See the little window? Then when you fold that, the little window pops out. You see that? See how the little window pops out? You must have that little window popping out. Okay? So here in the corners you can leave a square, or you can leave it, you can cut it in an angle. So that's pretty much what you're gonna get. Okay? So this right here, if you want a square, I like it round. If you want it round, you can make it round. So what I do is I just cut that corner there, and that corner there, and there it is. See that there? So you take double-sided tape, a piece of tape, cut a piece of tape off, cut it in half, and we're gonna put it in here. It's gonna go on this side, on the little flap. That's where it's gonna go, on the edge of the little flap, on the edge of the little flap. Okay, peel that off, peel that off. Perfect, peel that off. Perfect. Then what you do is you close it. There we go. Close it. And there you go. You see that window? You see that? You must do it there too. But I'm going to do it free-handed. Just be careful you don't want to get cut. Okay, you cut that through. Cut that through. Okay, cut that through. That's for your power cord, and there it is. There it is. You can put more double-sided tape if you want. You can put more double-sided tape if you want. Now, this right here, it's a permanent fix. Okay. Now, if you want to, if you're gonna put it away, you're gonna try to put it away where it won't wrinkle on you or something. So you can always use some paper clips if you want. You can always use paper clips too if you want it to close temporary, you know. And then when you finish with it, just take the paper clips off. I always have a little pinky finger. They come in handy. Little pinky fingers come in handy. Yeah, when it comes to scratching. Okay. Joey Jones always with his little ideas. But you know what? I like to share my ideas with all of you. I know a lot of you have like want this. A lot of you want the hood, and they can get expensive. And if you don't have the money, then might as well do it yourself. Okay? And then you take DJI sticker, put it anywhere you want. I like to put mine on top there. And there it is. Couldn't even tell. Like, whoa, where'd you get that from? I got it from DJI. What do you think about that, fellas? Like that? So, we're gonna put it to the test. Now, the slot here, you know what that is for, right? The slot here is because you have to put that in. So, that's gotta fit in there. Okay? So once you fit that in there, see that? That's gotta go in through there. That's the only way you're gonna get your cell phone in there. See that? Then your cell phone, remember the buttons? Looking down. Okay, put it in between there. Okay, bring it down. Lock it, and doesn't interrupt at all. It still locks. It's just perfect. Now there it is. Bam. What do you think about that? What do you think about that, guys? You cannot beat that for like 98 cents or whatever it is. $2, $3 or $4. It's still better than spending the 40 bucks. And then of course the slot. When you plug in, and there it is. Boom. Huh, what do you think about that? And there goes your sun hood. Okay? There goes your hood. For the sun, if it's sunny, you're good to go. Okay, guys? Well, this is what I have for today. We'll see you in my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and perform the one for the tablet. So if you want the tablet, then stay tuned. We'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy it. Thumbs up. Well, guys, there you have it. Hope you like this video. So again, there's two videos here, okay? The video for the cell phone and the video for the tablet or your iPad, okay? Look at that. Hoods for under $3. Do it yourself. If you don't want to spend the 40 bucks, do it yourself. And all you have to do is just watch my video, okay guys? Well guys, that's all I have for today. So fly safe, be safe, drive safe. God bless you all. We love you all. We'll see you in my next video. So later guys, we'll see you.